have a word.
4-speed stuff.
Yeah, anyway, you caught me in the middle of a Krypt cast, so I got to go. They're going to slate this thing. But thank you. What was your name again? Michelle.
Nice.
All right.
For
Talk to you
35,
soon.
take all the
Thanks.
stuff
Bye.
out of it. So
Hey,
much left.
what you guys want? Was you guys wondering what that was?
No. But you're going to tell us anyway.
That was a fan telling me what a superb job I was doing on Graveyard Carz.
How'd you get your
Cast.
number?
I think it's a friend of Patty's.
Who's Patty?
She's a friend of a friend.
How'd you get your number?
A friend of a friend.
That's going to set up the call?
Nice face.
Welcome to the Graveyard Carz Cast, broadcasting live from the GYC mansion. Starring Mark and Daren Kirkpatrick.
I wasn't looking at you for that. I was trying to think of my next line.
Oh, okay.
Hi,
Sorry.
welcome everybody to the GYC Krypt Cast, live from the parlor of the GYC mansion. I am your host, Mark Warman. Along with me is my co-host,
Daren Kirkpatrick.
and most of you probably recognize the guy in the middle,
The bald guy.
the bald
good-looking guy.
as Royal Gayland Yoakum. That's right, Gayland Yoakum.
Wait, leave the middle name out.
A.K.A. Kojak.
Because your mother named you Gayland, it doesn't matter. Anyway, we decided that we would try having a special guest this week.
But they couldn't make it.
So we had Royal.
Yeah.
It's funny. Next thing on the agenda, we have a few things to celebrate. Today is Alicia Johnson's birthday, and she's really cool. She's one of our favorite fans.
Does she know you're doing
Okay,
this?
shut your hole.
Hello?
Yes, may I please speak with Alicia?
This is Alicia.
Hello, Alicia. This is Mark calling from the GYC mansion, broadcasting live from the...
Hello, Mark.
Well, hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
We're doing great. I am sitting along here with Daren Kirkpatrick and Royal Gayland Yoakum. Hi.
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 Alicia is one of our funnest and coolest fans out there.
Thank
Great.
you.
You know what I heard today?
What?
I heard it's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
That is so cool. How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
No way.
About my age.
Yeah, about Darren's age. Yeah,
20 years ago.
times two. So, we want to sing happy birthday to you. Are you ready?
I would love that.
Oh, it's happening right now on 3, on 2, on 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alicia. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Just that birthday is fine, actually.
Was that Darren?
That, of course. Who?
Thank you guys so much.
Well, you're welcome. You have a good night, okay?
All right. You too. Take care. And
Yeah.
God bless, Mark.
All right, honey. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Such a cool kid.
Does she know us?
Great.
She knows it. She follows the show.
She never met us in person.
She's never met you. Nobody wants to meet you.
Well, she's a fan. Of course she follows the
God,
show.
why can't I just shut my phone off? Oh, chickpea. Why would it do that when you try to... Are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, during the Krypt Cast, one of the next things that I want to do is talk about our Facebook fan page. It is growing leaps and bounds. Have either one of you two guys happen to notice what our latest fan number is?
468.
No. It is 439, though, I believe,
Wow.
is the latest number right now.
Oh,
So
close.
we are growing like crazy. Is that true? 439 fan base? I think that's
Beautiful.
right. So I want to thank you to everybody out there who is a fan and encourage all of you to remember the first 500 fans, one of you will win a super duper unbelievable prize that we're not saying what it is, but you will be entered into a drawing if you're one of the first 500 fans on Facebook to win this outrageously wild, very rare, collectible and valuable gift.
What is it?
We have a new contest on the
What?
GYC.
What is that new contest?
Well, thank you for asking, Royal. The new contest on the GYC Facebook is a contest where you can draw the next Graveyard Carz design logo for their t-shirts. It will actually be printed. It will actually be traveling all over the world. People will know who designed it. You will get the kudos for it. And you will be a legendary historical part of Graveyard Carz from this day forward. All you have to do to compete is become a fan on Facebook of Graveyard Carz. Submit your drawing on there, post it on our wall. After December 1st, we will allow our fans to vote, and the person who is voted upon to have the best drawing for our next artwork for our shirts, such as what we have on here tonight, will win $100. Thank you, Daren,
nice.
for that contribution.
You're welcome.
And a t-shirt,
I think it was parts off.
hand signed by the entire cast
Nice.
of Graveyard Carz. So we'll go to the next topic on here, which is to congratulate Mackenzie Staggs, who has now 369 fans. Is that unbelievable?
go.
That's great.
It was 1 week ago tonight that we launched her. So you can go to Mackenzie, M-A-C-K-E-N-Z-I, no E I've been told, Staggs.com, and you can follow her journey and her daily stories as well on there.
I think it's M-A-C-K.
I said M-A-C-K.
I think you said M-E.
Why would I say M-A-C-K? Nobody in the world spells their name M-A-C-K.
M-I-C-K-E-Y. M-O-U-S-E.
Point, of course, being that I'm outnumbered by idiots tonight, 2-1. So this is the part in the Kryptcast where we share stories from our old car racing days. If you remember, in the very first Kryptcast, Daren told a lie about how this magical police car had magical powers and it could put magical gas in it and get it running again. So tonight, we're going to go further down that road, and we're going to allow our friend Royal
No. Don't make
Go
stuff
ahead,
up,
buddy.
Mark.
Galen Yoakum to share with us the story about, and you share this with both of us, so don't look weird. You know what's true. Don't. What are you doing, the Rain Man rocking? You know what's coming, don't you?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Him and a friend were driving back from Bend, Oregon, destination hometown Springfield. It was in the dead of winter, and they were traveling over the Willamette Pass.
I'm not sure.
I'm talking about the 68 Charger RT 444 speed.
I never passed anybody on the way home in the Charger.
Wasn't that a Barracuda you did that in?
No.
Where you guys went backwards
Where
down
do
the
you guys
road or
come up
something?
with this stuff?
Royal.
We're crying out loud.
Royal.
I never passed anybody in a 68 Charger.
It must have been a Barracuda.
Did you hear the
talking
story or
about.
didn't you?
Yeah,
Did
I
you
thought
hear
it was
the-
a different car.
Okay, any car. Did you ever pass anybody driving any car in your entire life on ice?
No, that's dangerous.
It was
Here's the group of cars going like this. There are a chain of them,
Go
okay?
down here?
They're, sure, let's do that.
knock them together though or anything.
Okay. But they're very long cars, so let's do this. Let's close this. We're done with that. Here's the chain of cars.
This is going to be good.
Taking the body shop. It was a
It can't be that close. Come on.
Okay, but we're out of room.
We're out of
buddy.
room, Royal. They're going along. Da 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 da. Hand me a doobie. Yeah, okay, here's a doobie. They're having fun. Hand me another beer. Yeah, all right. Drinking and driving. Woohoo. All right. The way you described the story was you came up on it, you saw the road of traffic. You guys are super important guys, right? So you're not going to wait for that line of traffic. You said you went out around the cars, pitched it sideways. Okay? That's the way you described it. And I asked you. And then you went all the way down.
No, I didn't say sideways. 45-degree angle. He just pulled out, passed him.
You know, past.
No, I
backwards.
thought when you were passing them, you were able to wave at the people in the cars.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay,
Well, we got that
so you
far.
were about like this, and you were just cruising down the road, and you were waving at everybody in the cars. Then, amazingly, in some of the best driving I've ever heard of in my entire life, you were able to pull it straight back into line and continue your trip home. Well, that's some good driving, Royal.
And the car turned around. I must have been the wrong story. Another one of these stories.
I don't know where you got your story.
This.
My story was he was perpendicular to the cars.
You can't do that on a one-lane road.
We said that at lunch that day, and all y'all said you
You go
could.
sideways on a one-lane road at 60, it's just going to roll.
No, it's ice. Remember, you're super guy.
No, it's not ice.
You're super
It
driver.
was summer to springtime.
Why are you
Icy
just
road?
insane?
Put this back in.
So we've got to wrap up this week's Kryptcast. I would like to personally thank Daren for being another thorn in my side, and I would also like to thank Royal for joining in. That was really great. And thank you for doing that over there in that seat. That was really nice.
I didn't do anything.
You did do something. You tore one in there, and and there's that foolish laughter again. See? Get a close-up
No, I
of that
didn't.
foolish. You did. You think it's funny when you cuckoo your pants and people get sick? Thank you, everybody, for joining us this week. I'm Mark Warman, painfully.
Hi.
Oh,
Darren
yeah,
Kirkpatrick.
This is our friend.
Royal, oops, it slipped Yoakum. Thank you, everybody, for joining us.
If that ever
What I really want.